we have a great safety culture. So if we're doing a flight, that we took the necessary steps to make sure that nobody was put at risk and no ordinances were broken. Because it may be $300 to hire your neighbor's kid to go fly a drone, but the fine's going to be a lot more if he's flying that in restricted airspace or has a close call with an airplane. So in the end, a good safety culture is what really sets us apart. That drone weighs probably about 20 pounds when it's fully outfitted, and it's got 4 really huge props on it. So it's like a weighted blender if it did fall down from the sky. So we need to make sure that people on the ground are aware of the risk and there's a safety plan if something does go wrong. We went to an open house at MnDOT, and they talked about anytime a construction worker is not on a bridge or in the middle of traffic, that's one less construction worker that is at risk. So anytime where we can leverage a drone in lieu of putting somebody on a harness or anywhere on scaffolding, well, that's good. On top of that, the technology is really good. So we get accurate data. It can be used for inspection, certain drones can. Survey will always have its place in construction and just civil engineering in general. But there's certain aspects where we probably don't need survey guys walking up a sand mound in the middle of July or staking out a landfill. It's just it's so efficient to send a drone up. It collects millions of points through these photos, and you're not putting anybody in harm's way.